Used to be with you, cause girl, don't you know? Girl, don't you know you're so beautiful? I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not just tonight, but the rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Whitney and I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Jell-O shots. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay guys, I have these mini cups that you can use for the Jell-O shot cups. It's just these small cups like this. And they also come with the lid so you can put it on top. And I'm going to be using lime Jell-O mix. I believe you can get this for 52 cents at Walmart. And I'm just going to put it on a tray, just a piece of tray, to hold all the cups so it'll be easier when I pour it in there. And also, guys, I'm going to be using the vodka for my Jell-O shots to give it a little extra flavor. Okay, you guys, I have all my cups on the tray. As you can see, these are 20 cups, so I'm going to be making 20 Jell-O shots. And again, I'm going to be using the vodka with the lime flavored Jell-O mix. So give me a second and we'll get started. Okay, y'all, I didn't feel like boiling no water, so I just warmed it up in the microwave on 3 minutes, and it has bubbles in there, so it's hot enough. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and pour the Jell-O mix inside the water. Okay, y'all, I'm supposed to stir this until it all dissolves and then let it cool off for a while, because if you pour the alcohol right in, the alcohol is going to burn off. So you don't want to have the water too hot where it burn off your alcohol. Then it just seems like you're just making regular Jell-O. And also, this is supposed to be a half a cup of hot water, but I put a little extra in there by mistake, but it's only supposed to be a half a cup of hot water. I'm sorry, it's supposed to be half a cup of hot water, 1 cup of hot water, and half a cup of vodka, or however much. If you want it stronger, then you can add more vodka, but I'm only going to add half a cup to this. And y'all, I'm trying to hurry up to get this to go ahead and cool off, so I added some ice cubes. Sometimes I add it to make it not so hot, so the alcohol won't burn off, so I can go ahead and add the alcohol. So that's what I'm going to do next, is go ahead and add the alcohol to the mixture. Okay, I'm going to use this measuring cup to dip this out so I won't make a mess. And I'm going to go ahead and bring it up here since it has a little handle. And I'm going to pour it into my Jell-O shots. And you can add how much to each one of them. If you want them to be full, you can fill them all the way up. If not, then you don't have to add that much. You can also make these Jell-O shots virgin without alcohol. You can use it for parties, events, sleepovers. Okay, y'all, this is them after being in the freezer for maybe 2 hours, I believe. And this is how they came out. I just turned this one upside down, you know, it's not falling out. This is how they look. And this is how you make Jell-O shots. I'll be back with you with another video. Like, comment, share, subscribe.